So I need a jig to cut some compound angles into a block that's going to be used for the base of the current project that I'm working on, which will give the legs the splay and the rake that I want. My miter saw won't safely cut a face grain piece, and so I cut off an end grain piece at the capacity that I could with the miter saw, and I'm going to use that to make a jig. So I've glued that piece to a plywood, and I've glued another piece of plywood at the top of that, which will support my workpiece, seen here. I'm putting double-sided tape on this piece of plywood, and this is a test piece. I want to see, how everything's going to go beforehand. It's a good thing that I did. So sticky tape that. We'll fire up the sled. If you want more information on the sled, I will tag Clean Cut Woodworking. Brent's the guy that hooked me up with this sled. Check it out. So I've hit my depth stop here in this front corner, and that's supposed to be the lowest point on the block. The highest point is supposed to be this corner back here. And you can see my router bit didn't make it all the way through. I thought about that, and I calculated the difference in height between the front and the back, and I just need to get a thicker piece. So the good news is this is going to work, and this was only a test piece. So what I'll do is I'll glue up a thicker piece, and then we'll do another test.